So, let's start our new topic, that is inscriptions. So, first we will study what is the meaning of inscriptions. Inscriptions are writings carved on seals, stone pillars, rocks, copper plates, temple walls and bricks और images. इंस्क्रिप्शन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इंस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स रिकॉर्ड, एक तरीके का रिकॉर्ड जिस पे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन नोट की जाती थी, रिकॉर्ड की जाती थी ड्यूरिंग एंशियंट टाइम. In the ancient time, people did not have technology. They do not have the books, computers to record the things, to notify the things. So they used inscriptions to record the things. And where these inscriptions were noted, सारी inscriptions कहाँ पे नोट की जाती थी? They were noted on stones, pillars, copper plates, walls of temples, rocks, etc. पिलर्स पे, रॉक्स पे, कॉपर प्लेट्स पे, स्टोन्स पे, इन सब जगह पे चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड की जाती थी कार्विंग करके. आई विल नॉट टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑफ कार्विंग. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कार्विंग? कार्विंग मतलब कोई भी पैटर्न बनाना या फिर कोई भी लिखावट करना ऑन वुडन और स्टोन मटेरियल्स, ऑन रॉक्स, ऑन कॉपर प्लेट्स, ऑन पिलर्स एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. फॉर ए बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाउ आई विल शो यू द images of carving, that how the carving was done in ancient times, and after that I will show you the some images of inscriptions. In ancient times, main incidents like achievement of kings, writing of orders and treaties with other states were carved on stones or metal plates. As I already told you earlier, that the things were recorded by carving on metals, plates, copper plates, walls, pillars, etc. So which incidents were recorded? Like achievement of king. King ने क्या अचीव किया है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल किंग ने कौन सी स्टेट के किंग को डिफीट किया है. राइटिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर्स एंड ट्रीटीज़ विद अदर स्टेट्स. ट्रीटीज़ मीन्स एग्रीमेंट होना या फिर सेटलमेंट होना और अदरवाइज इनके इनसे डील होना, लाइक बाय नेगोशिएटिंग द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस विद द किंग ऑफ अदर स्टेट्स. So these metal plates and stone writings are known as inscriptions. So the recorded things on these things like metal plates and pillars and stone writings are known as inscriptions. They are existed even today and are preserved in archives such as National Archives of Delhi. ये सारी चीज़ें आज भी प्रेजेंट है और प्रिजर्व्ड है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेशनल आर्काइव्स ऑफ दिल्ली. नाउ आई विल शो यू द इमेजेस ऑफ इंस्क्रिप्शंस. ड्यूरिंग एक्सकेवेशन का मीनिंग खुदाई करना या फिर डिग करना. सो ड्यूरिंग एक्सकेवेशंस यूटेंसिल्स, स्टोन टूल्स एंड एंशियंट ऑर्नामेंट्स आर फाउंड which help us to know the history of ancient times. So these tools were found, utensils, ancient ornaments and stone tools are found. They help us to know the history of ancient times. Now I will show you the images of some of the tools which were found during the activity of excavation. So we can know more about history in some of the museums or libraries of ancient time which are mentioned over here. So have a look. First is Shri Hemchandra Acharya Library, which is in Patan, North Gujarat. Second one, LD Institute of Indology, which is in Navrangpura in the city of Ahmedabad. Third one is Tribal Museum at Gujarat Vidyapith, which is in Ahmedabad. And fourth one is Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra, which is at Gandhinagar. Now we will solve some objective questions of this chapter. So let's start from filling the blanks. our first question is to understand the present. Information of blank is necessary. प्रेजेंट को समझने के लिए मैंने आपको चैप्टर में पढ़ाया था. प्रेजेंट को समझने के लिए हमारे पास किसकी इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए? वी शुड हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ पास्ट. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रेजेंट we should have the information of our past. So answer is past. Okay. Now second one is the place where inscriptions are preserved is known as blank. ऐसी प्लेस जहाँ पे एंशियंट इंस्क्रिप्शंस रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं, प्रिजर्व किए जाते हैं, जो आज भी एग्जिस्टेड है, प्रिजर्व्ड है कुछ लाइब्रेरीज में और कुछ म्यूजियम्स में. सो सच प्लेसेस आर नोन एज आर्काइव्स. व्हाट इट इज नोन एज आर्काइव्स. Now our third number is the information and pictures of events of 20th century published in December 2000 by most of the newspapers is named as blank. जो December 2000 की पिक्चर्स और इंफॉर्मेशन और जितने भी रिकॉर्ड्स थे वो कहाँ पे पब्लिश किए गए थे? न्यूज़पेपर्स में. एंड दे बिकम वेरी फेमस. एंड बाय व्हाट नेम दे वर इंडिकेटेड? दे वर इंडिकेटेड एज मिलेनियम गैलरी. Okay. Now next fourth number is the Dash Museum is located at Gujarat Vidyapit, Ahmedabad. Which museum is located at Gujarat Vidyapit? The Tribal Museum is located at Gujarat Vidyapit. Okay. Now fifth number is the LD Institute of Indology is situated in Dash. Where LD Institute, in which city the LD Institute is situated? It is situated at Ahmedabad. Now we will solve some true words of this chapter. So let's start. It is necessary to have the knowledge of present to understand the past. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है कि वी शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द पास्ट. यहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा है. नो, वी शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ पास्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रेजेंट. सो योर आंसर विल बी फॉल्स. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड नंबर, द नेशनल आर्काइव्स इज सिचुएटेड इन दिल्ली. वी ऑलरेडी लर्न दिस थिंग इन चैप्टर. वेयर इज द नेशनल आर्काइव्स लोकेटेड? इट इज लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली. सो आंसर इज true. Now third number, some people have the habit of preparing collection book of different pictures and articles. As I already told you this in chapter that some people have the habit of collecting the old paintings, old pictures, old articles. So the answer is true. Okay. Now fourth number, script written before many years have been destroyed due to earthquake. The script which were written during ancient time, they were destroyed due to earthquake? No, they were destroyed by insects. They were not destroyed due to earthquake, they were destroyed by insects. So answer is false. Now we will start answering one word. So first number is, in which city is Shri Hemchandra Acharya's library situated? So it is situated in Patan. So answer is Patan. Okay. Now second number is, which script is mainly found on Tatpatras and Bhojpatras? This thing also we learned in the chapter. Which script is found on the Bhojpatras and Tatpatras? So answer is Brahmi script. Brahmi script. Okay. The third number, from the skin of the which tree Bhojpatras are made? Bhojpatras कौन से ट्री के स्किन से लिखे जाते हैं या बने जाते हैं? सो आंसर इज Bhoj tree. That is why they are known as Bhojpatras. Okay.